哇！今日好大風啊，吹到嘭嘭聲。本來咧想等聽日天氣好啲，或者唔咁大風先至拍嘅。但係呢個西咧太震撼啦，我怕如果遲一日拍咧，個客人咧會 miss 咗機會。OK，所以大風都照拍住先。咁我而家喺邊度咧？我咧就喺404夾 Major Mac。OK， 404夾 Major Mac 附近有 Canadian Tire 啦，有 Costco 啦，有大統華啦，飲茶食飯咧非常方便。咁今次我想介紹嘅就有 Townhouse 單車房同雙車房同埋 Semi 嘅。大家估下 Townhouse 單車房係咩價錢？喺 Woodbine Major Mac 喎，喺正市中心嚟嘅喎，街口就係404喎，130萬、120萬、101萬 ？No no no no！ 而家啱啱有一啲嘅新嘅盤咧，OK 由99萬幾開始啫。99萬幾喎 ，OK，點解會咁平嘅咧？個情況就係其中一個原因，就因為稅務上咧，啱啱加拿大政府咧有一個優惠咧，係關於個稅嗰度嘅 ，OK，所以咧發展商咧而家定嗰個價錢咧 ，OK 就係99萬幾啫 ，OK 由單車房 townhouse 開始 ，OK，咁所以點解我收到呢 message 第一時間走嚟地盤同大家睇下嗱，附近呢一個地方咧，附近因為全部起好晒㗎啦 ，OK 唔係荒山野嶺嚟嘅，嗱兜個圈俾大家睇下。嗱，呢一度大家附近全部都起好晒㗎啦，已經係呢度係唯一一個空地 for 呢個 project 嘅啫。嗱，咁呢度大家睇到晒 ，OK， 附近已經起好晒㗎啦，學校啊各方面啊都起好晒㗎啦 ，OK， 咁所以咧呢個 location 咧非常非常之市中心，尤其是有啲客人咧 ，OK 想上車，又或者想 upgrade 嘅，例如喺 condo 想搬上嚟，又或者住緊一間10幾20年嘅 townhouse， 想揾間新啲嘅，呢間就最好選擇啦。又或者，如果你本身住喺間雙車房，成日都要揾2架車嚟泊嘅 ，OK， 而 downsizing 咧就啱晒啦，因為呢一度咧有少量嘅單位咧係雙車房嘅 townhouse 嘅 ，OK， 咁我知道咧下個禮拜咧就會係公開發售噶啦，嗱，呢度咧就下個禮拜就會公開發售 ，OK， 但係嚟緊咧 ，OK， 因為我有內部嘅資料咧，我可以帶你去 headquarter 去睇睇嘅資料，如果有興趣嘅 before public，OK， 俾個電話我。因為我知道咧，一 on the public 咧，價錢咧就會唔同咗噶啦。有興趣嘅打俾我，我電話係647694433，647694433，我係 Jason Yu。咁by the meantime 咧，我帶你去 sales centre 裏面睇一睇。OK， 咁我哋而家翻到嚟呢個嘅 sales centre 嘅 office 啦。OK， 咁我今日咧有個同事喺度咧嚟緊講解下呢個 site 有咩特別。Hey Nadal, okay, thank you for showing us today. Okay, can you tell us about this amazing project? Where is it located?
It's located at Woodbine and Major Mac. It's a great location for 107 units that are limitedly available, including in its inventory.
Wow.
Yes.
呢個地方咧，大家成日都會經過㗎啦。OK， 佢咧就係 Major Mac，OK， 同埋 Woodbine。嗱，一講呢個地方咧，大家都知道成個社區咧，大部分已經係 establish 咗㗎啦。就要呢一個地方咧 ，OK， 就係喺 available。咁當中呢個 project 咧有啲乜嘢嘢咧？佢就係有 semi 啦，有 townhouse 啦 ，OK， 同埋咧好多客人會成日問嘅，有冇啲雙車房嘅 townhouse？ 嗱，市面上嘅雙車房 townhouse 咧唔係好多嘅，但係今次咧可以帶大家睇下。呢個 location 一出咧就係404啦 ，OK， 即係一出翻工404啦。咁另外 Canadian Tire 又喺隔離，大統華又喺附近 ，OK，Costco 又喺附近，所以飲茶食飯都好方便嘅。So for this one, you mentioned you guys have a semi-detached, you have townhouses and double garage. What is the square footage look like?
Oh, the starting point for townhouses are around 2,000 square feet, depending
2,000 square feet.
That's
Okay.
right, and it depends whether you get the end unit or the internal units. And as well as the semis are a little bit larger, they're around 2,400 square feet, and they're a great opportunity to kind of get in the space at around $1 million.
OK， 咁所以咧頭先所講咧就係佢啲townhouse 咧由2000尺度開始，咁個價錢咧係100萬到啫，100萬係講緊好多年前嘅價錢嚟㗎啦。OK，so they want to know about government right now. They do have the incentive for the tax. Can you tell us about what's the benefit? How the buyer can take benefit for this?
Absolutely. So all the prices you're going to see already have the rebates embedded in it.
Wow.
So the actual HST is already inclusive of it. So when you come in and actually purchase a unit, you don't have to do the paperwork on your own.
哇，OK，咁啊，大家都知道啦，而家嗰個嘅稅咧，OK，買新屋咧係一個嘅優惠嘅，OK，所以頭先佢所講嘅價錢咧已經係包括咗個稅㗎啦，OK，講緊係好多錢嘅，OK，咁所以如果你係諗住係喺呢個市場裏邊去做 upgrading 咧，其實係一個唔錯嘅選擇嚟嘅。例如呢一個嘅地方係適合啲咩家庭咧？OK，例如你本身係想揾一間大少少嘅 townhouse，本身住喺個 condo 一段時間啦，想揾大少少，又或者 OK 住喺間雙車房，一路咧想搬，但係咧又想揾間雙車房嘅 townhouse 咧，呢個就正正啱你啦。以往咧好多時候啲客人要揾 townhouse 咧，一係就去到好北好北，一係咧就去到好東好東邊。今次咧可以有一間喺404出嚟2分鐘就到嘅地方，平時飲茶食飯全部都喺晒附近嘅。咁啊一個唔錯嘅地方嚟嘅。咁以我所知咧，佢嚟緊公開發售咧，大約咧仲有係1個星期到啦。但係我咧就攞到獨家嘅資料咧，就可以咧預先帶你入嚟睇下。So I know they're going to have an opening very soon.
That's right.
If we have some client, they want to come here to preview, okay, and how soon we can come here?
You can come and book an appointment with our sales office.
Wow.
And it's an incentive program. It may not be, the prices may not stay the same by the time we launch on May 12th.
Wow. 嗱，咁大家記住啦，而家我哋講緊一個咧係公開發售之前嘅價錢 ，OK， 因為通常咧一到咗公開發售咧，價錢咧就可能會高少少噶啦。咁如果你想把握呢個機會咧 ，OK， 睇完套片即刻打電話俾我 ，OK， 我電話係647-6944-333，647-6944-333。OK， 嗱睇完套片之後咧，我會用個鏡頭影一影個 layout， 附近有啲乜嘢，再介紹你嘅，好冇？咁有啲咩記得打俾我，我電話係647-6944-333，我係 Jason Yu。OK，thank you so much.
Thank you.
OK，thank you for your telling us about this amazing project.
Okay, we look forward to seeing you.
OK，good.
Thank you.
多謝晒。
Bye, everyone.
嗱，咁呢個 project 喺邊度咧？佢咧就喺 Woodbine 同 Major Mac 以北嘅。咁佢個西咧係有107個單位。OK， 咁附近咧已經係起好咗嘅 community 啦，所以搬入去咧唔會沙塵滾滾，其他地方已經起好晒㗎啦。咁呢度咧，我哋右手邊咧見到咧，呢啲就係雙車房嘅 townhouse 嚟嘅。OK， 雙車房嘅。OK， 好多客人咧好多時候住喺雙車房獨立屋，好多時候咧想揾間雙車房 townhouse 咧，市面上就唔係咁多嘅。咁呢個西咧就啱啱有呢個產品可以俾大家選擇啦。咁另外咧有一啲咧就係單車房嘅。OK， 單車房嘅 townhouse 嘅，嗱，好似面睇到就係單車房嘅 townhouse 嚟嘅。咁好處咧就係呢一啲嘅 townhouse 咧，佢唔係 back to back 嘅 townhouse 嚟嘅，即係話有前院有後院嘅。OK， 咁如果有興趣想過嚟睇下嘅 ，OK， 可以打電話俾我啊，我電話係647-6944-333，647-6944-333，我係 Jason Yu，遲啲見，拜拜。